Want to send crypto from Binance to MetaMask without paying high fees? In this quick tutorial, I will walk you through the safest and cheapest way to do it step by step. Let's go. Step number 1. Set up MetaMask. Open MetaMask browser or application. Select the network where you want to save crypto. For example, Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, Polygon, or any other you want. Click account name and copy wallet address. If you don't see BNB Smart Chain or Polygon, you need to add those networks manually. MetaMask, then click on settings, then click on networks, and then you need to click on add network. Then step number 2, go to your Binance wallet, search for the coin you want to send, and then click on withdraw. Paste your address and choose the right network. Paste your MetaMask wallet address into the recipient address field. Select the network carefully. Like if you have chosen Ethereum on MetaMask, then make sure to choose Ethereum network on your Binance application. But make sure to select network carefully. Like if you select Ethereum, then the fees is very high. So you can choose networks like Polygon or Binance Smart Chain for cheaper fees. And there is a no fee trick for you. Pick a coin and network with almost zero fees. For example, you can use USDT on Binance Smart Chain for completely free transfer. Then swap inside MetaMask later if needed. Now the final steps are enter the amount you want to send, check Binance fee, you will see it before confirming. If it's high, try switching to a cheaper network. Click withdraw, then confirm via email and two-factor authentication, and then wait for confirmation. Transfers usually take a few minutes depending on network load. Once it arrives, you will see the balance in MetaMask. And here are the final tips of the videos. Always send a small test amount first when using a new address. Never share your MetaMask seed phrase. Double check network compatibility before sending. That's it. Now you know how to send crypto from Binance to MetaMask safely and without wasting money on huge fees. Links to Binance and MetaMask are in description. Hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.